A new state-of-the-art facility for the Northern Ireland Hospice came one step closer today. Almost £3 million in funding for the project has been announced by the Health Minister, Edwin Poots. The money now paves the way for construction work to begin at the end of the year. Richard Cull reports.
It's not every day an executive minister is encouraged to deface a wall, but Sammy Wilson has written the cheque that'll rebuild the Northern Ireland Hospice.
It was a long time coming, and there's been a lot of work has went on behind the scenes to make it happen. I'm delighted that we have been able to make it happen. I thank sincerely Sammy Wilson and the Finance Department for the support that they have given us. That has enabled this to happen, and I think that we will see a transformational difference.
Since opening its doors 30 years ago, the Northern Ireland Hospice has provided a vital service to patients and families. Providing support for a large number of people means that the facilities have been stretched and are no longer fit for purpose. But today, the Health Minister announced a cash injection of almost £3 million towards the rebuild.
This building behind me has looked after thousands of patients, but it just was not fit for purpose and hadn't been fit for purpose for a couple of years, which is why we've had to move out to White Abbey. It's been a very special place for so many families, but because of its depreciation, we really had to change.
The redevelopment will cost £11 million to complete, and the state-of-the-art facility will include 18 single ensuite rooms and a research and education centre.
As much as I loved coming to this building, it just wasn't up to the mark for what people really need, and the new building is going to give us a great satisfaction.
The Northern Ireland Hospice has raised almost £7 million towards the rebuild, and fundraising will continue. The development of the Victorian building is expected to take 2 years to complete. Richard Cull, UTV Live, North Belfast.